Alright, so last week we've been talking about conversions and how to convert units, okay? We talked about two kinds of systems. Today we're going to talk about the metric system, okay? And so I'm going to write a couple words on the board and we're going to see if you guys remember anything about these words. Okay, Jolie, what's that first word on the board say?
Meter.
Okay. John, what's that second one say?
Centimeter.
Okay, and Cheyenne, what's that last one?
Decimeter.
Decimeter. Very good, guys. Okay. Who can raise their hand and tell me which one of those is the largest unit? D? Decimeter is not the largest. Charlie?
Meter.
The meter is the largest. Very good, Charlie. Okay, so here's our largest. Which one of those is our smallest? Keely?
Centimeter.
Not the yes, the centimeter. You're right. Sorry. This one comes in out. Okay, so this list goes from largest to the smallest, okay? You guys have foldable meter sticks there that I passed out to you and your partner, okay? This is also a meter stick, okay? The difference is yours folds up. It can fit in your pocket if you ever need to measure anything on the go. It's nice and handy. We can't really put this in our pocket and take it with us somehow. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the relationship between centimeters, decimeters, and meters. Okay, we've been talking about conversions and how to take, if I were to say how many centimeters are in 1 decimeter, we're going to look at how we can find that out using our meter sticks today. Okay? So we are going to create our own meter sticks. Okay? You and your partner are going to create a meter stick similar to this. Okay? So what I want you to do, I want you to unfold your meter stick. And there are two sides to our meter stick, okay? One side goes to 36 inches, and that one we would use to measure a yard, okay? That one's got inches on it, and it is a full yard, okay? We're going to use the other side today, okay? It looks like this. It's got centimeters, and it's even got millimeters marked on there. We're not going to worry about the millimeters today. We're just concerned about centimeters, decimeters, and meters. Okay? Tyler, can you see anywhere on your meter stick where it's marked decimeters? Do you see decimeters marked anywhere? If you don't, it's okay. You don't? Okay. John, do you? No? Okay. So we need to find out how many decimeters we have, okay? So what I want you guys to do first is, I want you guys, you and your partner, we're going to label each centimeter on this ruler, okay? Justin, how many centimeters are on that meter stick? Okay, so it gives us numbers from 1 to 99, but there's a little bit left over the edge on the end down here. Okay, so how many centimeters are there in 1 meter, Justin?
1 meter.
100. Very good, Justin. Now let's write that on the board. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, okay? Very good, Justin. Okay? So what I want you guys to do, you and your partner, I want you to label all 100 of those centimeters, okay? You can use a pencil, just like I've done right here on our sample meter stick. You're going to have to be very careful. You may want to have one partner hold your meter stick steady as the other one marks all the little marks and write the numbers on it as well. Okay, I'm going to come around, I'm going to help you. So if you have questions, raise your hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cheyenne. Okay, all eyes up here real quick. Everybody stop what they're doing. I'll give you guys some more instructions. Okay? Once you and your partner have finished marking all the tick marks and you finish numbering from 1 to 100, or if you just want to stop at 99, that's okay. Once you've got all your numbers and all your tick marks on there, I want you and your partner to color in every 10 spots, okay? Just like I did, every 10 tick marks gets colored one color, okay? Does that make sense, guys? So every 10, color it one color. If you don't have crayons, you can use some crayons from the bucket that I put on the table in the back. Same colors. No, you don't have to use this. You can use whatever color you want. You will need. Figure it out. We'll give you guys some instructions real quick on how to color. Okay? We want to be very careful how we color because the whole point of this is so that we can read the numbers that we've written. And we've got to be able to see the numbers, we've got to be able to see the tick marks. So that means we have to color with our crayons or our colored pencils very lightly so that we can still see those numbers and those tick marks, okay? We're not going to color it really, really dark. Does that make sense?